Namaskar, I'm Shyamalisina. Welcome to foodie'shut. Today I am making pulled chicken sandwich. These spicy, tangy, sweet sandwiches are just what you need for tiffin or breakfast any season of the year. Let's get started. Let's work on the marinade first. In this mixing bowl, add this apple cider vinegar or you can use the regular vinegar, crushed pepper, red chilli powder. Next, add this yellow mustard powder. Then we need 2 big cloves of grated garlic, chopped green onion. You can add red onion too, olive oil or butter. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and then add this tomato ketchup. Stir until everything is well combined. Now I'm adding this boneless chicken thigh pieces in the marinade. It is a little extra insurance to get the juicy chicken feelings, but of course you can use chicken breast fillet as well. Time to follow the same old process. Give a very good mix, cover with the lid and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Now I have preheated this pan until hot. Time to add this marinated chicken. Over high heat, cook just for a minute. Then add a quarter cup of water. Let the liquid come to a boil. Then cover the chicken. Reduce the heat to medium-low and continue cooking for 15 to 20 minutes. Look at this beautiful color and the chicken pieces are fully cooked. At this point, drizzle honey. You can add sugar as well, but the combination of honey and mustard creates the magic. So I would say use honey instead of sugar. Now with the help of your wooden spoon, you can break the chicken. But here again I prefer to turn up the heat and then remove the chicken from the pan. After that, with the help of 2 forks, pull the chicken pieces. It's done. So now I'm going to adding back this pulled chicken in the pan, fold in with the sauce. Turn on the heat again and over medium heat cook just for 2 to 3 minutes so that the chicken can absorb all the gravy and flavor and then turn off the heat. The grill pan is heated until very hot. Now I love white sandwich bread over brown sandwich bread, so I'm using white sandwich bread. You can use any bread of your choice, cutting the edges. Then I'm spreading this Dijon mustard on the bread pieces. This is completely optional. You can use butter or mayonnaise. Now add some chicken filling on each bread. Top with the other bread. You can add some shredded cheese if you wish to. Add some butter to the hot pan. Let the butter melt and then place the sandwiches. Now today I'm grilling the sandwiches on the grill pan. You can use tawa, frying pan or sandwich maker. Toast bottom side until nice and crunchy but still soft to touch. Then flip the other side and follow the same process. Remove from the pan. Then cut in half and enjoy. For more sandwich recipes, check out here. If you make this recipe, let us know in the comment section. Take a picture and tag foodie'shut on Instagram and Facebook. Like and share this video and subscribe to foodie'shut. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.